Hi everyone, welcome to day 2 of learning Python variables. So here let's try to understand what you mean by variables. So here I have given a picture wherein water has been pouring to a glass. So what we can understand is variables are basically a containers for storing the data values. Here our data is a water and the glass or jar is known as a container. So do we have any rules for creating the variables? Basically, Python has no command for declaring a variable. A variable is created at the moment as you begin to give the first value. So, if I have opened this Google Colab, I have given x is equal to this 10 as a value. So, x is a container which has the variable as 10. So, if I give print x, I will be getting the x 10 as an output. So, this is the thing. Also, variables do not need to be declared with any particular type and it can also change the type after they have been set. So for example, I will give here x is equal to 5 and y, no, I will give this x only, x is equal to, I will give Python. So when I type to print x, it will take the Python. Basically, if you see here, I have given as a 5, that is an integer. Later on, to the same value, I have given a string, that is a Python. The latest value has been taken and it has given the output as a Python itself. So moving on to the variable's name. So variable's name, it can have a long or a short name or it can be more descriptive name. Like here I have given age, car name, total, volume, like that. As I said, here it can have any kind of, I can give y is equal to 5, y z is equal to 5.5 and a is equal to Python. So it can basically store integer, float and string as well. Do we have any rules for Python? Yes, basically we have some rules for the Python. So a variable name must start with a letter or underscore. Basically, if I give my underscore name is equal to Python. So this is considered as a valid thing, but this is optional. But basically, it should have this my underscore name as a Python, and if I give it will be giving the output as a Python. If I give my underscore name, it is a Python. So and also variable name cannot start with the number. So basically it cannot start with any of the number. So here instead of my name, if I give the number, it won't take. So it cannot start with a number and variable name can only contain alphanumeric characters and underscores. As I said, can contain only the underscores and alphanumeric character. So what happens here, if I give this one only, I will copy this and paste it. Next to the name, I will give as 2. And if I give enter, it is taking. Next one, variable name or case sensitive. Age and or there are, I mean, it is very case sensitive. And there it has variable and variable name cannot be of any of the Python words. And variable name, like we have few Python keys like booleans we will be using and break, like for creation of the function, we will be using def function false. So in such cases, we cannot use the Python keywords. Python allows you to assign multiple values to multiple variables in one line. In a sense, for example, I will give A, B, C is equal to, I will give mm, apple, mm, pineapple, and banana. So, and I gave the options like print A, print B, and print C. It has stored automatically like A variable name contains apple, B variable name contains pineapple, and C contains the banana. So this is what it means. It can have the multiple variables under one variable name. So that's it for today's session. Let's connect in our day 3 of the Python series. Until then, keep smiling. Thanks for watching video and subscribe for more videos.